DB-800 vehicle-mounted system, consisting of DB-800 sandblasting machine, diesel air compressor, air storage tank, dryer, water tank, water pump and trailer, is mainly suitable for outdoor sandblasting work. Before going out to work, fill the water tank with water and bring sufficient abrasive. The first step to start working is to open the air compressor door and a diesel into the diesel tank. Step 2. Turn on the air compressor power supply and put the air compressor in the power on state. Step 3. Turn on the air compressor and press the green start button to put the air compressor into standby state. Step 4. Open the valve on the air compressor pipeline to allow compressed air to pass smoothly. Step 5. Open the black cover above the sandblasting machine, add abrasive and close it when finished. Step 6. Connect the sandblasting pipeline. Step 7. Load the air compressor. 2-3 kilograms pressure is enough. Turn on the water tank switch, water inlet valve on sandblasting machine, water pump switch, pressure relief valve. The water pump starts working, and water can be injected into the sandblasting machine. Step 8. After the water is filled, it will overflow from the exhaust valve. At this time, turn off the water filling switch and water pump switch on the top of the air tank. Step 9. Rotate the loading button on the air compressor, pressure 8 kilograms, you can start sandblasting. Sandblasting control switch is on the sandblasting pipe. After sandblasting, all abrasives in the sandblasting tank need to be discharged.